Guys, if you haven't seen it yet, this is the 2021 Storyteller Moix Stealth Edition. This is one of the hottest selling motorhomes in our industry. What makes it unique is a variety of different things, but we'll start with the chassis. A true Mercedes-Benz chassis, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive motion. You've got steering assist, you've got lane assist, auto brake assist. It's got so many features that assist you in the travels, keeping you in line with the road. Some of its features, guys, just to kind of give you an example, you've got an armless awning on the outside of this with built-in LED light, integrated running boards, so easy access in and out. The beauty of these rigs too is that everything is made accessible. You've got a little table that folds down. The refrigerator, you don't have to go inside the RV. It's easily accessible from outside the camper, so everything you need to do out here is available. Some more of its features, if you'll come with me around to the back of it, we'll take a little look inside. All right, guys, this is an easy access into the back. Quick screen attach, so when you need to get in and out quickly, you can. This thing features a 5,000-pound towing capacity. This six-cylinder diesel engine has enough power to do what you want. It's turbocharged. It's got a lot of wonderful features to it, guys, but it doesn't limit you on taking something with you if you decide you want to take a long trip. Take the boat with you or pull even a smaller vehicle behind you. Storyteller has a lot of unique features, as we'll view up toward the roof of it just a little bit. It has a full stand-on deck. You can literally get up on top of this thing and walk around. It features a rooftop air conditioner, rooftop solar panels. What makes it unique and a lot of different things, and we'll go over this in more detail when we get inside, is it's equipped with a Volta system as opposed to a generator. It actually heats the floor, your furnace, all this stuff is done by diesel as opposed to electric or gas. This just kind of gives you a little bit of insight. You have abundant room. When these are opened, both of these beds will hinge up out of the way to give you access in and out, front to back to this unit. We'll step inside and take a little look. You do have a backup camera up here. Just to kind of give you some of the features, it's a beautiful look. Open or closed, it's got an abundance of feature. This is the Storyteller Overland Stealth Edition. All right, you guys, most RVs have. You've got city water connections, freshwater tank fills back here in the back of it. As I mentioned earlier, you've got a full stand-on walk-on deck up here. You have an easy access ladder here on the side, and as you can see, they bowed this side out a little bit to give you a little bit more headroom inside the cabin. This lifted chassis gives you phenomenal ground clearance, guys. When you want to go places without limits, this is the rig you want. You can see inside this van we have a lot. You've got an overhead microwave. You've got sink top access. You have an induction cooktop. Now notice I said induction. All of this stuff is done by electric. Your microwave, your cooktop. The uniqueness of this is the Volta system. What the Volta system will allow you to do is be able to do everything that others do with a generator, but you'll be able to do it with battery packs, as opposed to having to buy propane or extra fuel for your engine running a small generator to try to power this. You also have bench seats that convert into an extra bunk here. You've got a large bed back here. Both sides fold up against the wall and give you full access to get back into the back of it. It's got tie-down tracks, so if you want to open this up, put a small bike in here, bicycle, what have you, you can. You have ample room. Every square inch of this RV is utilized so you can have the opportunity to have access to everything. Shower curtain pulls out from here. You've got hot and cold water. As I mentioned earlier, this thing is heated, and your water is heated by this diesel in the system as opposed to propane. You've got small functionable hooks in a variety of different places where you can hang things. It comes with a Bluetooth speaker that mounts right here, so you have access to sound when you want it. It's also portable, so you can take it where you want to. Guys, this is a Storyteller Overland. Roof air conditioner, and ladies and gentlemen, it does run without a generator, which is so unique. All right, guys, as we mentioned, this is Mercedes-Benz, and with Mercedes, you get a good variety of features. You've got overhead view, rear view. These things are so unique in so many different ways. You've got such features that you just simply say, hey, Mercedes, and these rigs will accommodate you. You've got, as I mentioned, a turbocharged diesel engine with the capacity of pulling 5,000 pounds. It's got every feature you can imagine, all accessible on your steering wheel. cruise control, volume controls. It's got so many features, guys. If you haven't seen one of these, you need to come put your eyes on them.